Music has undoubtedly been a huge part of why I've been able to find so much success in cubing. Repetition, breaking things down into their smallest fundamental elements, and all of these different things we use and utilize to improve at an instrument, and being able to take these into the world of cubing has certainly been a huge help to my progression through that. I guess it's cool to know that like nobody else is able to do this, but at the same time it's like, I guess giving myself a little bit of a reality check, it's like, how much does that actually matter? You know? It's like, it's not gonna pay the bills when I get older.